Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can add an inverted bulleted list or a bulleted list in general to your text boxes and diagrams on Lucidchart in 2026. So let us guide you through this. So navigate to your diagram on Lucidchart. Let me zoom into that example text box and let me just remove that bulleted list here and show you how it's done. So what you want to do is click into the text box, and after that click into that button in the top left, text options, next to these text formatting tools. And from that menu, guys, what you want to do is click into this list drop down menu here. And from that menu, select a bulleted list, a numbered list, or inverted bulleted list, or any of these, and add it to your text box and fill the first item or line with text. I gotta know ABC 1, 2, 3, and to skip to the next line, simply press enter. And that's it. And you can do this with also the other bulleted list or numbered list. And just like that, if you'd like to indent, let me just show you how to do that. You will need to click into your line here and use the tabulator or tab key on your keyboard to make an indent or add even more of these. That's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.